Assalamu alaikum dear friends and students. Welcome back to Iqbal Maths Academy, and today we are learn what is a number system and history of number system. Now let's start by the definition of number system. What is number system? A number system or a system of numeration is a writing system for expressing number. That is a mathematical notation for the representing number of a given set using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. Some common use numbers and their sets as shown in figure. N represented the natural number, Q represented the rational number, R represents the set of real numbers, P represents the set of prime numbers, C represents the set of integers, E represents the set of even numbers, and O represents the set of odd numbers, and so on. Now let's start introduction or history of number system. In the very beginning, human life was very simple. An earlier incident, herdsman compared sheep or cattle off his head with a pile of stone when the herd left for grazing and again its return for missing animals. In the earlier system, probably the vertical stock or bars such as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. were used for the number 1, 2, 3, etc. The symbol vertical bars were used by many people including the ancient Egyptians for the number of fingers of one hand. Around 5000 BC, the Egyptians had a number system based on 10. The symbol is for 10 and the symbol is for 100 were used by them. The symbol was represented as many times. A symbol was repeated as many times as it was needed. For example, the number 13 and 324 were symbolized as 10 symbolized and 3 vertical bars and also given in this number respectively was interpreted as 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Different people invent their own symbol for numbers, but this system of notation proved the inadequate with advance of society and were discarded. Ultimately, the set 1, 2, 3, 4, so on with base 10 was adopted as a counting set, also called the set of natural number. The solution of the equation x plus 2 which is equal to 2 was not possible in the set of natural number. So the natural number system was extended to the set of whole number. No number in the set of whole number w could satisfy the equation x plus 4 which is equal to 2 or x plus a which is equal to b. If a greater than b and a b belongs to whole number, the negative integer minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 so on were introduced the form of set of integer z which is equal to 0 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 so on. Again the equation of type 2x plus 2x which is equal to 3 or bx is equal to a where a, b belong to z and b is not equal to 0 had no solution in the set of z. So the number of the form a over b where a, b belong to z and b is not equal to 0 were invented to remove such difficulties. The set q which is equal to a over b such that a, b belong to z and b does not belong to z was named as a set of rational number. Still the solution of equations such as x square is equal to 2 or x square which is equal to a where a is not a perfect square was not possible in the set of q. So Irrational number of the type plus minus square root 2 or plus minus square root of a is not a perfect square were introduced. The process of enlargement of the number system ultimately led to the set of real number which is equal to union of rational or irrational number. Q is the set of irrational number which is used to most frequently in everyday life.